says, ask and keep on asking, and it will be given to you. Seek and keep on seeking, and you will find. Knock and keep on knocking, and the door will be open. For everyone who keeps on asking receives, and he who keeps seeking finds, and to him who keeps on knocking will be opened. Or what man is there among you, if his sons ask for bread, instead you will give him a stone, or if he asks for fish, you will instead give him a snake? If you then, evil, sinful by nature, as you are, know how to give food and advantageous gifts to your children, how much more will your Father who is in heaven protect as he is, give what is good and advantageous to those who keep on asking him? So then, in everything, treat others the same way you want them to treat you, for this is the essence of the law of the writings of the prophets. So that was 7 through 12.
अनि फेरि कार्तिक 12 पढ्छु। माग त तिमीहरूलाई दिनेछ, खोज त तिमीहरूले भेटाउनेछौ, ढकढक्याउ त तिमीहरूका निम्ति उघारिनेछ। किनकि जसले माग्छ त्यसले पाउँछ, जसले खोज्छ त्यसले भेटाउँछ, जसले ढकढक्याउँछ त्यसको निम्ति ढोका उघारिनेछ। तिमीहरू मध्ये कुन मानिस होला जसको छोराले रोटी माग्दा त्यसलाई ढुङ्गा देला, कि माछा माग्दा त्यसलाई साँप देला? यसकारण तिमीहरू रुष्ट भएर आफ्ना छोराछोरीलाई असल चिज दिन जान्दछौ भने स्वर्गमा हुनुहुने तिमीहरूका पिताले उहाँसित माग्नेहरूलाई कति बढी गरेर असल चिज दिनुहुनेछ। मानिसहरूले तिमीहरूसँग जस्तो व्यवहार गरून् भन्ने तिमीहरू चाहन्छौ, तिमीहरूले पनि तिनीहरूसँग त्यस्तै व्यवहार गर, किनभने यही नै व्यवस्था र अगमवक्ताका शिक्षाको सारांश हो।
You know, if we are in need, God says knock, and it shall be open to us. Keep on knocking and seeking after God for what we need in our lives.
अनि जब चाहिँ अनि हामीहरूलाई के कुराको आवश्यकता परिरहेको हुन्छ, त्यो कुरा बाहेक हामीहरू त्यो कुराको निड हुन्छ, हामीलाई आवश्यकता हुन्छ, त्यति बेला चाहिँ परमेश्वरले के भन्नुभएको छ, तिमीहरूले जब ढकढकाउँछौ त्यति बेला म ढोका खोल्नेछु र तिमीहरूलाई दिनेछु जो कुरा चाहिँ तिमीहरूलाई चाहिएको छ भनेर बताउनु भएको छ।
And